Hey y'all, I'm sitting up here putting together the kids' Christmas gifts, and so I wanted to show y'all how I'm putting these gifts together, just in case you decided that you wanted to do the same idea for one of your family members. So let me show y'all what I'm over here doing real quick. Okay, y'all. So remember these trays that I had got? Okay, but this what we doing. We got the tray, and we hooking the candy canes to them. And this gonna look like something when we finish, right? And when we finish, what it's gonna look like is a lollipop, right? Okay, so that's what we're doing. And so what I did was I had my little like those little things that you can use to make holes and it heats up. You plug it in and it heats up. I forgot the exact name of it. If I can look it up. If I remember, I'll add it to this video so you can see what I'm talking about. I don't know if you have time for that, but another thing that you can use to do this is I'm trying to think what my friend used. A drill. She said a drill. You can use a drill to do it. So to drill your holes. Okay, so that's what I did, and I got some zip ties to be able to hold the candy cane. Anyway, we got our holes, and I started with it going down through the back and then come up through the front. Come up through the front into the back. Okay, so when I put my holes, I made sure I measured my candy cane. I laid it there and I marked the holes where I wanted them to be at, right? Which I really didn't have to so much mark them, because the thing that I got, once I stick it to it, it's gonna burn the hole through it. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take your zip tie, right? And you're gonna zip tie it to it, right? I was wondering at first, I'm like, how am I gonna get these to hold on to here? I thought I had to use tape, but no, the tape ain't gonna be strong enough. You need you some zip ties. And so I'm gonna zip tie this here. And once I zip tie it, then once it's zip tied, that's what you got. And you just cut those off, right? And now you got your lollipop base, right? So then I'll show y'all what it looks like when I start attaching everything to it. And you just add whatever you want to it and customize it to each child, to their liking. Hey y'all. I don't know if the video dark or not. It kind of seems like it might be. But I got all my gifts did for the kids last night. It didn't take long. It probably took me like 2 hours to make 9 of them. So I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. I wanted to record how I laid stuff in there and all that there, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm gonna just show you how I got the bags on them, like I did get it on them though. I'm eating red beans and rice. And I think I done had enough because I'm kind of scared. My stomach probably gonna be hurting from gas. But they're so good, and they got the right amount of spice and everything. I'm done. I'm gonna leave them alone. So anywho, this is how they turned out. Little lollipop. Let me get in some better light. Alrighty, y'all, this is how they turned out. I got a girl one and a boy one, but they all kind of different. But see, it's so cute. And this cellophane was actually a cellophane bag, the big one. And I cut a hole at the bottom and slid the stick down through until the tip of this hole went through that. And then I slid the bag up over it and pulled it together and put a bow on it and tied it. So and then it's a boy one. Like that. I just got an apple in this one. But yeah. I think they turned out so cute. It turned out too cute. Yeah. So yeah. See, and that's the back of it. And then I used the blow dryer to tighten it up, even on the front side, that way it holds everything. I did start out taping the stuff down, but then as I went along, I realized, some kind of way I'm trying to get a thumbnail tied. But anyway, so yeah, tied it up, and I think that's all I was gonna say. I forgot what the hell I was gonna say. Try. But anyway, so yeah, they cute, y'all. They real cute. I was trying to think if I wanted to take them and still wrap some wrapping paper around them. But I'm like, no, they is too cute like this. Like when I bring them, I just want them to see it just like this, you know. Because if they unwrap it, it ain't gonna give the same thing. Like they just, to me, they just gonna be unwrapping. But if I bring them and they like this, yeah. And I got this idea from my friend. She was doing something for her kids, I guess. Yeah, she was doing something for the kids and grandkids and stuff like that. And so she was showing it to me, and I was like, oh, that's neat. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do that too. Something neat, you know, for the kids. Ain't really gonna cost you too much. It's the only thing it is, it's gonna cost you a lot when you got a lot of them to make. I made 9. But still, like, you could put anything that you want in there, and you could put big items to fill it up even more. Like, you could put toys and stuff in there. I didn't want to buy no toys because they don't play with toys. But you could put toys and stuff in there and just make it interesting. Put a little $1 or something in there, or put a little, you know, just, I said $1, but you know, kids don't want much. But yeah, so you could just add whatever you want to it. I put an apple in here because every time my nephews come to my house, they always, Auntie, can I get one of your apples? Can I get an apple? Especially if they see one. Can I get an apple? So I put some apples in there for my nephews because they like apples, okay? And they always ask for it. So I put it in their little gift bag. Hopefully it lasts. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Yeah, hopefully it'll hold up. I know y'all still seeing my little stuff over here, but that's what I want to do. It's just me and my husband staying here. I ain't studying people coming over here, you know, seeing my little coupon and stuff sitting on the counter. I'm leaving it sitting on the counter because I got plans on putting my dish detergent and stuff like that is dish detergent up under that cabinet. I can go ahead and put away some of the laundry stuff, but I got plans on. But the thing about it is, I got to go through my kitchen, and I know y'all probably like, Tiana, gonna let it sit that long till you do that. I was thinking about it, but listen, I was thinking about taking this cabinet here because this is some dishes, and a lot of these dishes I may not be keeping. You know what I'm saying? So I was thinking about cleaning this cabinet out and move my dishes on over closer and use this as my laundry cabinet. That's what I was thinking about doing. Because it's way on this end of the kitchen and really like it's right here, right next to, you know, the laundry room. And it's just a whole it could be perfect for that spot right there, my laundry stuff, right? So that was my plan. And then also I was gonna take some and put it up on that shelf, but I didn't want to overfill that shelf and make that rack too heavy. But I was gonna put some up there as well on top of that shelf. And I haven't made it into the kitchen to do what I needed to do yet. That's why I still got all my, you know, cucumber stuff sitting around, and it's just steady growing. It's just steady growing, y'all. It's on the floor now. It's steady growing. So I could take my tissue and stuff and put it up. But all my laundry stuff, I think I kind of want to wait, or maybe I'll go ahead on it. But the thing about it is, if I go ahead and clean that cabinet out, then it's going to lead me to another cabinet and another cabinet. Ain't nobody got time for that. I ain't got time for that. Not right now. I need to make time, but I got too much that I'm trying to do. I got to finish up the adult gifts, and then I got to go back in my room, hang up laundry. I need to wash clothes. Man, I got a lot I got to do. So messing with this coupon stuff, that ain't what I need to be doing. But you know what? I do got a box. I got a big box that I could put, I guess all this stuff in, this laundry stuff in. But until I get ready to put it up, I just thought about that. I got a big box I can put it in. I'm gonna go put my tissue and stuff up. And yeah, I'm gonna put all that stuff in that big box. That way I can get it out of sight. Out of sight until I get ready to do something with it. But yeah, child, I'm over here just working on baskets and stuff like that, honey. In the house, doing in the house things. Getting prepared for Christmas and stuff like that. I don't know if we're gonna do anything for Christmas. I don't know. Oh yeah, we supposed to be I forgot. We supposed to be doing seafood boil, but for Christmas, and it ain't gonna be like all kind of seafood and stuff like that. It may just be a seafood boil, but the shrimp boil, because baby, the shrimp is cheaper unless, you know, we all chip in and buy a box of crabs and then we just add that on to it. However we do it, we'll, honey, one thing about it, we will get it together, okay? But yeah, that's all I'm doing around the house, y'all. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna finish these baskets. That way I can get all this mess done and out the way. Yep, all them baskets there. And then I'm finna go put this stuff up. And put the tissue up. That's what I'm finna do. Put the tissue up. And that's gonna be... I'm just finna do what I need to do, okay? However it works out, child. That's how I'm about to do it, okay? But yeah, I could do laundry today too. But I ain't even gonna worry about that. It's okay. I could wait about another day or two before I have to do laundry. And I just wanted to check in with y'all and say, hey, child, let y'all know what I was doing and let y'all see how the kids' Christmas gift turned out. And I wanted to post it for you just in case you wanted to, you know, make the same thing or know somebody that, you know, trying to come up with an idea for Christmas gifts and stuff like that. This would be something perfect for the kids, you know, if y'all wanted to do this here. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna holler at y'all later on because I got too much that I need to be doing instead of sitting around holding the camera. And I'm finna work on the adults gifts, but the thing about it is, like I told y'all, the adults, they watch me, some of them anyway, and so I don't want to be doing their gifts and stuff and they see what they got. So yeah, we ain't gonna record them, me doing theirs. But I'm gonna holler at y'all later though, cause I got too much going on right about now that I need to be doing to get myself. It's the beginning of the week and I need to get as much done as I can get done. Yeah. Vacation time coming up. No vacation for me. You know I work every day, but if they take vacation time coming up and yeah. Yeah. All right, y'all, because I'm gonna keep on rambling and trying to I think I'm trying to talk my way out of doing what I need to do. All right, I got my counter clean off. I got everything in the box until I get ready to deal with it. And yeah, feel good about that. Let me get off of here, y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hype your girl up, okay? Let me know what y'all think about the kids gift stuff.